So now let's see how we can utilize the modified date block inside of wordpress.com. So over here, I have this particular post right here. And if I were to go ahead over here and then add a block, let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead, add a block right here and then type in modified right here. So once I do that, I can add in a modified date block right here. So once you go ahead and do that, it says Jan right here and 10/2025, as you can see right here, which is the modification date for this particular post. I can link to the post as well, and I can go ahead and change around, let's say, for example, the text color. I can change around the background right here, just like this, change around the padding, work around with the size, as you can see right here, for that particular date, and work around with the border right here, just like this as well, and work around with the radius as well. So right now you can see that this is 10th January right here. But what I can actually do is I can go ahead and update this out as well. Let's say, for example, I'm simply going to hit save, and for this particular page now, the modified date will be 12 Jan instead of 10. So at the time of recording, this is 12. You can see that as soon as it finishes saving, you can see that it says 12 Jan right here. And that is how you can record out a modification date and then attach it to your post right here, just like this, so that people know when this particular post was modified by the author. And that is how you can utilize the modified date block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.